Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today we'll see how to make an easy chicken biryani, a one-pot chicken biryani in a pressure cooker. For that, first we'll marinate the chicken. Here I've taken 1 kg of chicken, washed and cleaned. Into that added 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, juice of 1 lemon and 1 teaspoon of ghee. We'll mix it well. Rub the masala well into the chicken and marinate for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Here I have taken 3 cups of basmati rice, washed it well, and we'll soak for about 15 to 20 minutes and then drain the water. For the masala, here I have taken 6 to 7 green chilies, 2 pieces of ginger, and two pods of medium-sized pods of garlic, 6 medium-sized onions. Now we'll peel the garlic and chop the ginger and keep it aside. We'll slice the onions. I've sliced all the 6 onions. Now 1/3 of this we'll fry. For that, in a pressure cooker, we'll take 4 tablespoons of refined oil and fry 1/3 of the sliced onions till it turns golden brown. About 2 onions we'll fry till it turns golden in color. Add a little of salt. This will speeden the process of frying. Now let us make the biryani masala. For that, half teaspoon of fennel seeds or saunf and half teaspoon of jeera seeds or cumin, half teaspoon of shah jeera and 2 pieces of cinnamon sticks, 1/4 of a nutmeg, 1 piece of javitri or a mace, 10 cloves and 7 cardamoms. We'll peel it and then powder it. This is our biryani masala. We'll powder it and keep it aside. Now let us crush the ginger, garlic and green chilies. Instead of crushing the ginger and garlic, you can also use ginger garlic paste. Now the onions have turned golden in color. We'll take it out from the oil. Add a few cashew nuts and fry it till it turns golden brown. Along with this, you can also add some raisins and fry. Into the oil, we'll add 2 teaspoons of ghee and 2 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of kalpasi or stone flour. The kalpasi gives a nice flavor to the biryani. Into this, we'll add the sliced onions. Saute the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. When the onions turn translucent, into this we'll add the crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Now we'll saute this well till the raw smell goes and it gives a nice aroma. Now it is nicely sauteed. Now into this we'll add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well. Add a handful of chopped mint leaves and coriander leaves. Saute it and into this we'll add 2 tablespoons of curd. Mix it well. add the powdered biryani masala and the chicken, marinated chicken, and we'll mix it well for 2 to 3 minutes till the chicken is well coated with the masala. Now we'll cook the chicken for about 5 to 8 minutes. For that we'll just keep the lid on the cooker and cook it on medium flame. After 5 to 8 minutes the chicken starts releasing its water. Then we'll add the washed and drained rice into it. Mix it a little. Now into this we'll add 2 1/4 cups of hot water. So for 3 cups of rice I've taken 2 1/4 cups of hot water. So for 1 cup of rice it is 3/4 cup of water. At this time let us taste and see whether there is enough salt, and add salt as required. When you taste it, it should be a little salty. Only then after it gets cooked the biryani will have enough of salt. Now we'll add half of the fried onions and cashew nuts and some coriander leaves. Now we'll close the cooker and cook it on medium flame till the first whistle. After the first whistle we should switch off the flame and open the cooker only after 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, if there is any steam, release the steam and then open the cooker. Now the biryani is well cooked and it's perfect texture. The rice it's not overcooked and it is not sticking to each other. Each rice is separate and the flavor is awesome. It's giving such a nice aroma. Please do try the recipe. If you like it, don't forget to press the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my new videos. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.